Recording?
Yep.
Some ways. Just another day I feeling right. Gotta catch up on some rest. Still sleeping the other night. My bets can't stay, yeah, they both on close. Gotta remember what matters, that's what matters most. I'm up in Northern California on the coast. In the state 5, yeah, that's where I ride. And I know when I can lie. I better be ready to die. Even though if I gotta make it, gotta take it, gotta shake it up, man. Break it up like some earthquakes, motherfucker. The world can't stop from way up. Never Kevin, not giving a fuck. Gotta rise on your own and say your goodbye to the never ending fight the way you been living your life. I'm with the outers and they got the power, cause out of war with drugs. It could be love, it could be hate. Motherfuckers up in my business. Come when the cops wanna be the #1 witness. I've been in a storm and one of these motherfuckers trying to take a piece. Fuck that shit, put it back on your wall for being a bitch. Yeah, motherfucker making these mistakes. And my bitch is no longer with me, she's glitch in my brain like she's causing strain. I'm like, fuck that shit, I know it, man. I'm up in it till I'm finished, won't stay status. Always gotta be about this #1 mission. Gotta get my life out the mission. I've been through outer space, feeling like I'm going without a trace. Smoking the dope cause I ain't got no fucking hope. Yeah, was I saying? Fuck being sober, let the alcohol and drugs take over. Cause we can't get no lower in life. I'll fuck it, it ain't right. I'll fuck it up all night. Other white, that weed, that drink. What I need, bitch, I'm gonna succeed. No matter how it makes, gonna do what it takes. Say fuck all them wishes and coulds. Yeah, bitch, you wish you could, but you can't step in stance. I'm like, bitch, pull your pants up. Bitch, pull your motherfucking stance up. I'm climbing up the ladder, get my pockets more fatter. Take the money up, then I take it to the bank. I ain't caring what you think. Thoughts in my mind as I'm doing time. Locked up or not out of caught, it's all the same. This fucked up game of life, but nothing going right. Countless nights, tears going down my face. Feeling like I'm gone without a trace. Being sick doing wrong, all alone. Now I'm gone, feeling like I can't go on. Cause I'm lost in this system, time to move on. I say fuck, it's locked up. Time of life, we need to make up for my right. And say fuck all them witches and coulds. Yeah, bitch, you wish you could, but you can't stay in the stance. Thoughts in my mind as I'm doing time. I didn't know too much about it as a young kid. Now I know life is a struggle, that's all it is. I see I got myself, not too many else, I don't give a fuck. Cause I know one day I'll be coming up. I just need to get in the right frame of mind. Lead a locked up life and the struggles behind. Yeah, motherfuckers know this shit's all fucked up, it's all about time. Simple ways, just another day, I feel right. Gotta catch up on some rest, still sleep the other night. My best can't stay, yeah, they thought I'm close. Gotta remember what matters, it's what matters the most. I'm from the Northern Cali straight coast, motherfuckers need weed. Fuck that, we don't need that weed. I bust out the dope pipe and I hit that shit right. I'm about to bust on all you motherfuckers that I can't trust, do me wrong. It's like a motherfucking must that I kill your fucking life, put you in the dirt, cause you cause me fucking hurt. A rapper straight up motherfuckers smacking on the host, you know, be coming with the mad flow. Any motherfucking time, straight up bust a rhyme, hit this shit up like I'm doing time. In a fucking shell. Fuck that shit and fuck jail, fuck prison, you gotta listen. This shit got me in submit. You guys messed that whole rap up. Where you getting it back? He be getting it back like he's on this motherfucking track. You gonna record another one? You gonna hold it for me?
Yeah.
Stop that one then. Stop that one. I just broke up my chick for about a week, so I'm doing tracks. You gotta have one more.
How do you stop it, dog?
Let's push this.